Hi everybody, Dave Fontaine here at Wayne Toyota. Today I'm going to be showing you our 2018 Tundra. This is an off-road edition. It's a lease return. We just took in, accident-free and completely serviced here at our dealership. Just over 52,500 kilometers. Plenty of warranty left on this one. Let's take a closer look. I'll show you some of the features. This does come with the new style block heater that was installed here at our dealership. Comes with a cable. The off-road edition has 18-inch aluminum rims. This being a CrewMax is a 4-door, heated mirrors, power locks. It has a heated, powered front seat. It also comes with most of the current safety features with your lane departure alert, your pre-collision system, your automatic headlights and high beams. And it also comes with satellite radio. It of course is Bluetooth, and it has a sunroof. Excuse me. Great thing about the CrewMax is it has a giant back seat. There's one of the seats up, so if you do need a little more room for storage, otherwise, very comfortable. Comes with 2 sets of mats. We have the winter rubber mats in the vehicle, and of course it comes with the summer carpet. This being a CrewMax has a 5.5-foot box. It comes with a tow package already installed, wired, the 2 systems. It does have a backup camera, a lockable tailgate, and it has a box liner. That's our 2018 Tundra CrewMax Off-Road. If you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, give us a call. Thanks again for watching and stay safe.